Looking for a shampoo that does more than just clean? What if your shampoo could hydrate, repair damage, smooth frizz, or add volume, all while leaving your hair smelling incredible? Moroccanoil's lineup of shampoos, each infused with their signature argan oil, offers exactly that. Whether your hair needs a moisture boost or a volume lift, there's a formula designed to deliver healthy, beautiful results. I've tried several Moroccanoil shampoos myself, and the difference is clear. The Hydrating Shampoo instantly refreshed my hair with a soft, healthy shine. It's perfect if your hair feels dry or dull. When I switched to the Moisture Repair Shampoo, I noticed how it helped restore strength and balance, especially after heat styling. For those battling frizz, the Smoothing Shampoo tamed flyaways without weighing hair down. And if you want your hair to feel fuller and more lively, the Extra Volume Shampoo adds body and movement without stiffness. Plus, every wash leaves behind that unforgettable Moroccanoil scent, a warm blend of spicy amber, musk, and sweet florals that lasts for days. What makes these shampoos stand out is their rich argan oil content. This rare oil is packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and essential fatty acids that have nourished hair for centuries. Moroccanoil started with their iconic treatment and expanded into a full range of products that don't just clean, they protect and enhance your hair's natural beauty. The brand also commits to sustainability and giving back, which means your choice supports more than just your hair care routine. If you're ready to upgrade your shampoo and experience what argan oil can do for your hair, Moroccanoil offers targeted solutions that fit your exact needs. Whether hydration, repair, smoothing, or volume is your priority, these shampoos deliver visible results and a luxurious experience. Worth a look if you want hair that looks healthier, feels softer, and smells amazing every day. Try Moroccanoil shampoos when you're ready to transform your hair care routine. Choose the one that matches your goals and enjoy the benefits of nourished, manageable hair with a scent that turns heads. Your hair deserves this kind of care, and the difference is easy to notice from the very first wash.